Om Shanti, everyone. Welcome to our daily Murli churning podcast. Today we have a profoundly beautiful essence from the Murli dated March 3rd, 2026, which states, "Sweet children, you are Roop and Basant. Only jewels of this knowledge should constantly emerge from your mouths." Brother Rajyogi, how shall we dive deeper into this beautiful statement today?
Om Shanti, Sister Shanti. Today, we will wear the glasses of the fourth dimension, spiritual transformation. As spiritual alchemists, we will look at the equation of transformation given by the Supreme Father today, Gyan and Vigyan, knowledge and yoga. When we combine these, a spiritual reaction occurs that transforms stones, which represent wasteful talk and gossip, into jewels, or elevating spiritual words.
The metaphor of stones and jewels is so vivid. The Murli mentions that we have been throwing stones at one another for 63 births. Why is it so challenging to switch to speaking only jewels?
Because we are so accustomed to the gravity of the old world, Sister Shanti. Stones are heavy. When we engage in worldly talk, negativity, or criticism, we drag our own energy and the listener's energy down. But jewels are light and radiant. They represent spiritual knowledge. This is why the Supreme Father warns us to be cautious of our company. If we stay in circles where people throw stones, our stable stage will inevitably fluctuate.
So our environment and the company we keep directly impact our transformation process.
Exactly. Being Roop and Basant means being the embodiment of yoga, Roop, and the showerer of knowledge, Basant. We cannot shower flowers or jewels if our hands are still holding on to stones. Yoga, Vigyan, is our connection with the Supreme Father to purify the soul. When our inner self is filled with jewels, whatever overflows through our words will only be jewels that heal others.
That is a deeply beautiful transformation process. How can we apply this practically in our lives today?
Concluding with firmness and gentleness, let's practice 2 simple steps today. Number 1, apply a full stop before speaking. Before uttering a word, pause for a split second and ask yourself, is what I'm about to say a jewel that adds value or a stone that causes harm? Number 2, choose your orbit of energy. Intentionally keep the company of those who discuss elevating topics. If you find yourself in a circle of stones, gracefully and silently step back with merciful feelings.
Palms together, smiling. 2 very powerful steps. May everyone shower only precious jewels today. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.